Welcome back to my channel. Kidding, more like her channel. Say hi to your vlog.
Hi guys.
So guys, what are we doing today? So today we're cooking. Another weekend of a family get-together. So yeah, we're getting our day started. Everyone's supposed to be here by, what time is it? Wait, before I even say any of that, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is why I can never be a vlogger.
I think it's the car.
What? So anyways, now we're in the kitchen. Wow, I look crazy today, excuse me. But this is what
So this is one of the meals. Well, not a meal, it's not a meal.
it's
Like,
one of the side dishes, like,
yeah, it's actually a main dish kind of.
yeah.
We're making Hiliib. So this is, what is that noise? Anyway, so I marinated the Hiliib with a bunch of spices. I can't really tell you guys. You can show them my not my instant pots.
Oh yeah, so we're making it different today. We're using a pressure cooker. We have the onions in there right now. Let me just flip this. So we have a few different things going on right now. The chicken is simmering in there for the rice. And yeah, this is the Hiliib. We are using Hiliib Ari today. And yeah, we'll just check back with you in a bit. Anything else you want to say to the camera for now?
So we're basically making a feast. This is a first for only 2 people. My sister is making like lasagna. Mariam is making her famous butter chicken with rice.
I feel like that's all you guys want me to make ever. You guys never let me make anything else.
Well, for now, that's what you master. And then I'm making Hiliib with the pressure cooker. So it's gonna take us less time. And I'm making biryani. I wanted to show you guys how I make the Hiliib, but I mean, I already have so many different recipes on my channel. And the biryani, I already have a video, so.
Adding some filfil to that.
And it's really exciting because we're actually gonna make it like traditional. We're gonna put the food on the floor, like Djibouti style. I'm pretty sure Somali also.
This is all news to me. I know we're doing all this.
Yeah, well, that's the plan, guys.
So the Hiliib is now in the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
The kitchen smells so good right now, and we just started cooking.
Can't really move much.
Yeah, it needs to do its own thing.
Yeah. Just gonna wait, saute, and then put it on pressure cooker.
I really want to get one of these. I also want to get an air fryer for Ramadan.
Yeah, that's actually good.
So right now, what is it on? It's
I think your chicken is ready, no?
so a little more, yeah, progress with the meat.
So I just saute my meat, kinda. There's onions in there, there's garlic, there's jalapeno. I also have some peppers aside and some extra onions that I'm gonna add at the end because I want it to be like, I don't want it to dissolve. So that's the plan. Basically, I was about to say baby, but
It's okay. I know I'm your. Let's just not tell Ahmed. He's been replaced.
Okay.
Wow, it looks so good. Well, yeah, that's the only update we got going on. The rice is about to go in soon.
It's your water, right?
Just added more water. She added my drinking water. Anyways, I'll check back in when there's interesting stuff going on. Because right now, what are you doing? Breaking the cardamom? You look like you were caught in the act. Hello guys! Welcome to my segment of cooking with Marian. So, we have my chicken over here, and then we're gonna be putting this in the oven. So I am going to flavor it up. We're gonna be using avocado oil. So what I personally like to do is always put the oil first because this is how the seasoning sticks. So a generous amount. And obviously we're using avocado oil, trying to get those healthy fats.
Coconut oil. Oh, sorry. Never mind.
I don't know why she's interrupting because she's wrong. And then we also have yogurt. Don't ask, but this is how you get your chicken. That's all I can say. Obviously, what's food with a little bit of, without I mean a little bit of a So we got this, we got some smoked paprika. Honestly, Mrs. Dash, shout out to you, girl, because you make food yummy. Please tell me you have more Mrs. Dash, Nestejo.
What?
Do you have more Mrs. Dash?
No, I just finished.
Okay, well, we're short on that, but usually we'd add more. This is, don't ask, it's in a different container, but this is tandoori masala, and it honestly makes chicken yummy. So we're going to be adding some of this. And then obviously we'll do like a little bit of turmeric. And then I can't forget some black pepper. Do you guys use this kind of pepper? I hate this. It's so time consuming. So again, a generous amount. So this is what our bowl is looking like so far. We're gonna go in and get in with our hands after I add the yogurt. So don't be afraid. Add generous amount. As you can tell, there is no measurements. Do you do measurements when you're cooking?
No.
East Africans, we don't cook with measurement. And then we're gonna add a little bit of this again. Just so it makes the mixing easier. And then we're just gonna go in. And now we can go check in and see what Nestejo's doing.
So my rice,
what's the update?
My
the rice is going.
And I'm just frying some onions. This is how we do Somali, even Indians I think they do it.
Yeah.
Fried onions. I'm actually going to use this to marinate the chicken for the biryani. You can also use it to like decorate your rice. But for today we're just going to use it for this. Yeah, this is what I have. And then I have everything cut up for me already. Chopped.
I need to start cutting everything for my sauce. And yeah, we'll check in with you later.
Hey guys, so sorry for what happened earlier. My channel was, what do we call it? Someone took over my channel. But anyways, I was really busy cooking. And so I'm pretty much done. Let me show you guys what I've what I did so far. Yeah, they all know you. So this is like the chicken that I marinated for the biryani. I already have a recipe on my channel, so you can check that out. You can see that the potatoes are like cooking. This is going to go on top of the Hiliib. I'm making my Hiliib for the first time in a pressure cooker. There's 9 minutes left. Hopefully everything is well done. What is left? She's making her...
Oh, my eyes are burning right now.
Okay, well, I'm pretty sure you guys already know what she's making, but she's making her butter chicken. This is the marinated chicken. We also have some Hiliib. My sister is making some lasagna, and we have to basically clean all of this in what? It's like, what time is it right now?
It's like 2:20 something. 2:25.
2:25. So,
an hour?
yeah, hopefully we finish everything and clean everything in like
I think my eyes are burning from wearing mascara because they never burn. Like, I always cut onions.
Yeah, she's just not a professional.
What are you talking
Anyways, we'll keep you guys updated, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm now releasing the, what do we call, the
pressure cooker?
Yes. It's actually so scary because I've never done this, but apparently you have to do it. I don't know why it's
I thought I told you doing it before the same thing happened to me. You should have saw what happened to her before. Back off.
Yeah.
That's why you should use that spot. What's happening? You're getting a good cleaning. If you guys could smell it. Okay, that's happening. The layer to her biryani is happening. Just waiting for the meat. I think it's ready. And then we got the tomatoes and onions in there for the sauce. Not a lot of people know, but this is what... Can they even hear you? Why can't they? This is what biryani, biryani butter chicken sauce is usually made out of. It's whipping cream. I usually get the lactose-free one, but we couldn't find that. And then the chicken's in the oven. What are you gonna do?
I should have fluffed my rice before, huh?
Give her a little whip. Okay, it's crunch time. Bye guys. It's 2:38 and we need to get our life together by... Can't zoom in, but... What time? What time do we have to get our lives together?
3:30, no? It's at 3:30.
Yeah. I hate your camera so much. It doesn't want to cooperate. It doesn't want to cooperate.
Yeah, touch the screen.
I'm trying to time us so they believe me. Okay, I think you guys can see it's 2:38. We shall see you at 3:30 when everything is together.
Wait.
Okay, so we're not coming back at 3:30. It's only been like 3 minutes. Imagine I serve butter chicken like this. Don't worry guys, that's not how it gets served, but this is another step to the process of it. The chicken is ready over there. Just looking over the instructions, because we don't read instructions. We just freestyle, but now it's time to read it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I need space.
I'm scared to look in there.
Good.
Oh wow. It actually looks good and like...
Yeah, and this is all like water, natural water. I only put like inyarobia. That's good. Just gonna check. The meat is still... Yeah, the meat is not the way I want it to be.
It's not Gillette?
It's okay, but I want it to be like So what I'm gonna do is...
A little longer?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook it now. I'm gonna add all the this.
Why don't you add the
The what?
the mustard?
Oh yeah. Why not, right?
It'll taste, the seasoning will taste good. I mean, it will taste good with the veggies too. Like.
So for Hiliib, nothing better than Dijon mustard, not the other one.
It's actually amazing with everything.
This one, like, it makes the...
Even the regular mustard, when you're baking in the oven, not baking like thing, but
okay, I think it's enough.
Oh, I just want to eat the bell peppers. I'm so obsessed with fresh bell peppers.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try to move everything around. But it looks good. It really smells good. Like, this is...
I wish there was an option for a scent.
This is like the natural, not the natural, but the water from the Hiliib. It's really good. Starting to like this thing.
Y'all wish you were feasting with us today. Even though I feel like I'm not gonna eat anything because I'm full from just smelling everything.
Okay, that's fine. Put it back.
Can you guys relate? You know when you spend the whole day in the kitchen cooking? I know you can.
Yeah, I never eat. The next day is the best day.
Comment down below. What do you guys, like when you spend the whole day cooking in the kitchen, can you guys really sit down and actually eat like a full plate of food when you spend hours in the kitchen cooking? I don't know. I personally can't. Like, it's like Ramadan too. Like, even though you're fasting all day, when you're in the kitchen and you cook for so long, it's like once it's actually iftar time and you sit down to eat, it's like you can't eat more than like a bite of fruits or like a cup of water. But anyways, time to blend this and we'll see you again later.
So guys, if you guys want to cook Hiliib delo, not actually delo, but Hiliib huris, like you need to buy a slow cooker. Like and it only took me 20 minutes.
I love how
The Somali. This is the sauce left. I think I'm gonna put it in a ball. Anybody can drink it, but
that's actually
amazing. Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that I didn't really share any recipes on this vlog because the time was really limited, but basically I cooked Somali, traditional food, and I used avocado oil instead of vegetable oil, which is way better for heat. And anyways, it's not really about like eating salad all the time. Nutrition is all about eating more natural and wholesome food. So inshallah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and join the family, and inshallah we will see each other next week, guys. Ma salama.